with great tread on. Inside, electric windows, electric mirrors, grey leather trim, front fitted carpet mats, armrests to all four of the captain's chairs, got cruise control, Pioneer, head unit, Bluetooth and DAB, may have sat nav, not sure, heated seats, twin electric sliding doors, automatic gearbox, lovely thing in lovely condition. So, grab the handle, off it goes, not rusty or tatty in the door shuts. Tables there, carpets, nice. Flip this seat forward so I can show you in the back. Nice condition. Just put this seat back up. Okay, so climate control panel for the rear passengers in the roof. Very nice indeed throughout. Pop the handle. Lovely in there as well. Nice and 13,900. Puddle lights are present and correct in the door steps. Really nice and clean, not tatty or knocked about at all. That's with 2 keys. Electric mirrors, electric windows, heated mirrors, nice in the door shuts. 2 proper remote keys, leather steering wheel. I don't know whether you can see that, actually 97,203 miles. Pioneer head unit, heated seats, all clean on the headlining. Just fold that armrest up so you can see. Driver's seat leather's not worn out. Very nice vehicle.